Hello class, today we're going to learn about a new type of Google document called Google Forms. What Google Forms is an online survey that you can create to collect information and data from different people. They can enter their answers and then you can analyze it or look at those answers. To do this, we're going to first log into your Gmail, then navigate to your Google Drive. So you can see I'm already in my Google Drive. And then we're going to go to our class folder here and double click on that. And you see we have all the files we're working on, the folders that we've created. I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder by right-clicking and hitting New Folder. I'm going to call it Family Feud. Hit Enter. Now I have our new folder here. Double-click on that. Now inside this folder you can create a Google Form by either right-clicking, going down to More, and then Google Forms. Or you can go up here and click New, More, and Google Forms. And out comes our Google form. The first thing I'm going to do is give it a title, so I'm going to call it Family Feud. And I'll put my name here, Mr. Smith. Now, the average user will not see this here, but when we come down here to this title, the users will see this. And I just want them to see the title Family Feud. So I'm going to delete my name from here. And then come down here. We can enter a description like, please answer the questions below. And we have this here. So if we look at this real quick, we can change settings and colors up here. We can change certain, or preview it. We can change the settings. Here it gives us options to add questions. We can add a question. We can add a title and description, so like to the page. We can add an image. We can add a video, or we can add a whole other section to this. For the purpose of this survey, we're going to keep it just on this one section, and we're just going to answer 10 survey questions here that we want the people to answer. Now to do that, I'm going to go back here to my questions, or my Family Feud questions that I found. And I'm going to copy these, and I can do that either by highlighting everything and hitting Control-C, or I can right-click it, and you see Copy here, or the shortcut Control-C. Just hit Copy. Come back to my survey. I'm going to go down to my question here. I'm going to hit Control-V. Now here you can add an image. You can select the type of question. We'll learn more about these types of questions in a future lesson, but for right now we're going to focus on multiple choice. So we have our multiple choice here. You can decide to make it required, where they have to answer before they can submit, or unrequired. We're going to leave it unrequired for now. You can duplicate this question if you want to add more just like it. Or you can add other options like description, or go to section based on an answer. What this is called like logic to it, which we'll learn more about, or shuffle the option order. We're just going to leave it right now as it is. Come back here. Let's copy our answers. And you see my answers came with numbers of the respondents. We're just going to copy the answers. We'll paste it in there by hitting Control-V or right-clicking and hitting Paste. And then I'm going to hit Enter, and that'll add a new option to add. And I'm going to grab my second option. Come back, hit Control-V, and go down until I have them all filled. And once you have them all filled, it'll look something like this. Now to add another question, you can either hit Duplicate, which will duplicate this one, or you can hit the plus sign up here, add another question, and then you're going to continue to paste. So here's my second question. Hit Control-C, come back to it, Control-V, and then I can start to answer. Oh, change the question choice on me. So make sure it's always multiple choice here. Then start to add your options and go down. And do that until you have 10 questions with options here. And then this will help us with future projects and information.